How to send reels to Instagram DM. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. First of all, go to your Instagram account. As you go to your Instagram account, then you have to scroll down and select the reel that you want to select. Let's say I want to select this reel. Then
Well, I
go
hope
to
they
share
have a
reel
little bit more
option
respect for me, and I hope
and
we
select
got
the
more
person you want to
success.
send,
What is your prediction?
and then hit
for
done, and this will be sent to this
Just gonna
person
check
direct
number
message section.
68.
This is how you can send reels to direct in a
63.
DM section.
So
Otherwise, you
improved
can
by
go to
two,
the
I
plus
mean.
icon and go to reels, add a reel. As I have added a reel, then you have to click next option. Then again you have to go next option. As you go to the next option, then you have to go to share, and you can share this reel on the person's DM. This is how you can share this reel to the person's DM. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. And also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.